Calculating market share is crucial for businesses to assess their competitive position within their industry. Understanding how much of the market a company controls provides valuable insights for strategic decision-making and growth planning. Here are 7 key steps for analyzing your business's market share. 1. Define your market. Clearly define the market or industry in which your business operates, including geographical boundaries and product/service categories. 2. Determine total market size. Estimate the total size of the market by analyzing industry reports, customer surveys, and relevant data sources. 3. Calculate your revenue. Determine your company's total revenue generated from sales within the defined market. 4. Research competitors. Identify and research competitors operating within the same market to understand their sales figures and market positioning. 5. Calculate competitors' revenue. Estimate the total revenue generated by each competitor within the market. 6. Calculate your market share. Divide your company's revenue by the total market size to calculate your market share percentage. 7. Analyze trends and opportunities. Evaluate your market share over time and compare it with competitors to identify trends, opportunities for growth, and areas for improvement. Conclusion: calculating market share provides businesses with valuable insights into their competitive position and market dynamics. I hope that you liked the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.